Hi everyone, welcome to this section. We will know in this section how the law of attraction works. Law of attraction will only work for you if you know how it works. We should know how it works. The law of attraction acts as a cohesive force that makes the whole civilization possible. The law of attraction works as a collective force that makes the whole civilization possible. It is the force that allows the individual groups of people to amass large sums of wealth. So it makes the people to earn large sums of wealth. But unlike gravity, the law of attraction will only work for you if you know how to work or how it works. So law of attraction steps, the way it works, it's very important to know to make it work for you. Many theorists have used the imaginary of the magnet to describe the law of attraction. They have used the images of a magnet to describe the law of attraction because the big difference between a regular magnet and the law of attraction is that the law of attraction will not attract the opposite of what you truly desire. The law of attraction will not attract what is opposite of what you are truly desiring. A predominantly positive magnet will attract objects with a negative charge and vice versa. A magnet will always attract the things with the negative charge. The opposite poles attract. The same poles repel. But when it comes to the law of attraction, the law of attraction works in one manner, that is, when you are trying to manifest something good in your life, the opposite of what you will be attracted. If you wish to attract good health, you will end up attracting death. It is good that when it comes to the law of attraction, only like attracts like. What will happen when you try to manifest something good in your life? You end up attracting the opposite things. If the law of attraction works in the manner of a positive magnet, it might be a little bit confusing for you. Please pay attention. You need to understand the basic way how the law of attraction works. A magnet is always compared with law of attraction, but a magnet will attract always the negative charge, the opposite of what you want in the magnet. South pole gets connected to north pole, not to the south pole. They attract the opposite poles and they reflect on the same poles. They don't come closer, they repel. But if the law of attraction also works in the same manner as the magnet is working by attracting the opposite sides, then if you ask for good health, you will end up with death. This is if law of attraction works like a magnet, but law of attraction does not work like a magnet. I am telling you very clearly, law of attraction does not work like a magnet. It will attract like attracts like. Whatever you ask, you manifest. You ask for good health, you attract good health. You don't attract anything else. You attract good health if you ask for good health. If you ask for abundance of money, you will attract abundance of wealth, money only. So like attracts like. That's the basic thing in law of attraction. Like attracts like. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.